Hey, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. I'm Deanna. Today is day 11 on my beauty advent calendar, so let's go ahead and dive on into them. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start off with the chocolate calendar and I'm looking for 11. See 12. Oh, here's 11. It's this little girl and its teddy bear. So let's see what shape we have today. Oh, it's a little snowman. Look how cute. So I thought we would go ahead and start off with the Glossybox today. And we're again looking for number 11. Oh, here's 11. 11's quite big. Pull it on out. So this is 11. I really like this like little packaging design. It's actually really cute. Alright, so let's go ahead and pop it open. Alright, we got a little bit of grass. Oh, okay. Well, I decided to make an exit through the backside. So, what is this? This is a turban shower cap. So this is what the packaging does look like. I'm assuming this is what it looks like. Let's read a little bit about it on the backside. Alrighty. It says that we invented this shielding hair from water and humidity that cause frizz. The soft lycra outer layer means no ugly elastic imprints, and it means that it's just the right shape to scoop up wispy ends. Genius. Yeah, I'm definitely excited to try this out. I'll probably leave it here for, like, while I'm at my mom's, because I have, like, 1,000 shower caps at home already. So, probably we'll just leave it here with my mom for the time being. Alright, so next we're going to be going into the Body Shop calendar. I'm just going to move this Target one to the side so I can open this one up. This calendar is just so cool and just so, like, cute to look at because each box is different. So, I'm looking for 11. Oh, right here. Let's see. We've got somebody playing with a little kitty cat. Meow. That's so cute. Alright, let's see what it says on the side. Do Secret Santa with your neighbors. It's more fun than posting a card. Oh, that's cute. I don't know my neighbors though. I'm not even gonna lie. I don't know my neighbors at all. Alright, so let's see what's in here. This smells good. It smells like, kind of smells like the clay mask I got. So, okay, I gotta read it. It says, intense awakening mask. I need to be awoken from at least this. I just woke up, so I'm tired. Alright, it's a facial mask. Rinse off after 5 to 10 minutes. The only thing it really does say on like the top, it says it's the Body Shop Nicaraguan coffee. So I'm assuming it's some sort of coffee mask. Oh my god, it smells like coffee. Alrighty, and the last calendar for day 11 is my Target 12 Days of Beauty. I am also using the 12 Days of Glow from Target as well. Today is day 6 that we are going into, so let's see what we got. Okay, what is this? It says Fragrant Mist. Touch Activated Scent Tames Static. Oh, it tames static. It says water less. Oh, it's rose and peach. I bet this smells so good. It says shake well spray all over hair. Alright, so this says it's rose and peach. That was my face. It smells really good. It kind of smells like dry shampoo, low-key. Like, not even gonna lie. Low-key, it smells like dry shampoo. Today, we are doing day 12 of my beauty advent calendars. I'm so excited for these. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and start off with the 12 Days of Glow. And I'll probably use this one later tonight. This is day 6 right here. It is a brightening mask. It says it's a green tea and orange blossom peel-off. I'm not a fan of oranges at all. So I don't know how I'm going to feel about this one, but we'll see how much orange blossom it has in it. So let me take this out. Alright, so the back of this says, indulge in this cocktail of antioxidants for glowing skin. This rejuvenating peel-off mask with green tea, orange peel, and vitamin C helps minimize the appearance of dark spots, brightening, and even skin tones. Perfect for normal to combination skin. Apply an even layer all over clean, dry face, avoiding the eye area, eyebrows, hairline, and lips. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes until dry and gently peel off from the outer edges. And then rinse off with warm water. Use twice a week if you needed. So that's pretty exciting. I love green tea stuff. So I'm kind of excited for that. The orange peel or the orange blossom. I don't know. But let's keep it moving. Alrighty. So next we're going to go ahead and go to the chocolate calendar. And actually I just found 12 right quick. So 12 is right here with this little deer. And what do we have in here today? Oh, it's a little like rocking horse with a little jockey on it. Okay, so next we're gonna go ahead and go into the Glossybox right here. I'm gonna go ahead and kind of crack this open, and we're looking for 12 again. Oh, here it is. It is a little box today. So this is box number 12. Let us go ahead and see what is in here today. What is this? All right. This is the little product. I probably should have read it first. All right. So this is an Avient eye cream. This has hyaluronic acid, collagen, glycolic acid. It has a couple other things in it, but a lot of them are too big for me to like pronounce. I'm not gonna lie. And it says it's age restoring. It is a 3-in-1 hyaluron filler collagen eye formula. So that's pretty exciting if it does what it's supposed to do and actually like tighten and like plump back up and also not like over puff the eyes. So really excited. I got another eye cream. Well, I say another eye cream. I haven't gotten one in one of these boxes yet, but I did get one in BoxyCharm not too long ago. So, but I love eye cream, so like I feel like you never have too many. Alrighty, and last is gonna be the Body Shop. And again, we're looking for number 12 today. Oh, there's 12. Alright, so this is the box. It definitely looks like she's trying to catch a little present or something. And then it says, put a present under the tree at your local homeless shelter. Alright, so let's try and get this box open and see what we've got in here. This is the Body Shop Vitamin C Energizing Face Mist. Please don't this smell like oranges. Probably will. This is what this does look like. We're gonna spray it, y'all. Oh, that's orange. Very orangey. That's what I'm saying, like I don't do oranges. Today we are doing day 13 of my beauty advent calendar, so let's go ahead and get these open. Alrighty, so today we are going to start off with the 12 Days of Beauty from Target. I'm also doing the 12 Days of Glow. I've been going back and forth. Yesterday was the 12 Days of Glow. So we are going to be right here in this box number 7, which is the next box to open over here. And let's see what we got. Alrighty, so this says Main Magic 10-in-1 Primer with argan oil, sunflower seed oil. It has 10 benefits with 1 miracle formula for all hair types. It says simplify your styling routine with 1 miracle potion using the Ava NYC Main Magic 10-in-1 Primer. Infused with argan oil and sunflower seed oil to give your hair a daily dose of vitamins and nutrients. This multitasking formula does it all. Detangles, reduces frizz, strengthens, softens, cuts drying time, adds shine, nourishes, smooths, and protects against thermal and UV damage. With 10 benefits in 1 spray, you'll save precious time and vanity space. Safe for color, keratin, and Brazilian treated hair. Definitely excited to use this. I love hair care products. Just because I don't ever like go and buy so many. I've normally like just gotten some while I'm at my hair salon, or if I go to like the hair store, they give you samples and stuff sometimes, or I'll get like small stuff like this. So it's kind of fun to get stuff that I don't see at my little hair shop that I go to. And next we're gonna go on to the Body Shop since it's right here next to me. And we are again looking for number 13 today. 13 is like one of my favorite numbers. I like 3s a lot because I feel like they're kind of lucky. My birthday is on a 13th, so I am also partial to the 13s. Oh, this one's heavy. This is what the box does look like. Definitely somebody helping somebody put up some ornaments on a little lantern. It is so cute. It says, what's your unique Christmas tradition? Share with a bestie. A unique Christmas tradition. I don't think we have any. Oh, I guess, I don't know. We've, my family, we used to hide a pickle on the tree, and then you would go find it, and whoever found it first would get a prize. So that was definitely something we always did as a kid, was to find the pickle. Comment below if you had to find the pickle, or if you guys, what your holiday traditions are, because that'd be really interesting to know what you guys do, and see if I can incorporate them into mine. So let's go ahead and crack open this box and see what's in here. Ooh. Oh, another shower gel. This one's grapefruit. Now, I'm not a huge fan of citrus, so I personally will not use this grapefruit. It's a little strong. I'll use the hand cream that I got, but this is too strong for me in my body. Me and citrus things, we don't connect at all. Like, we are not friends. I don't do citruses. I like limes and lemons, but once you get into oranges, grapefruits, mandarins, and all that, no thank you. No thank you. I like start gagging. Literally start gagging. I think yesterday, when I sprayed the facial mist on me, I think I like literally like coughed and like gagged for like a good couple minutes afterwards, because it was really strong, and I feel like I inhaled an actual orange or nectarine or something. It was a bit much. I'm a bit much, so yeah. Alrighty, so next we're gonna go move on to the chocolate calendar. I'm again looking for number 13. And I can't, got it. It is right here on this ornament. Somebody just started a truck. Let's see what we have here. Oh, it's a little moon. Look how cute. Alrighty, so the last box we are going to be doing is the Glossybox. And again, we're looking for number 13 today. So let's see. No 13. Oh, 13 is right here. I'll take it out so you can see where 13 is right here. So I'm gonna pop this out really quick. This is number 13. Let's go see what's inside. Always lots of grass. Lots of grass. All right. Oh, this is a rhodial. This is a vitamin C brightening cleanser. This high-tech gel cleanser infused with a skin invigorating blend of pure vitamin C and exfoliating fruit AHAs to leave skin with illuminating boost. Oh, that's so exciting. It says gently massage onto damp skin, avoiding delicate eye area. Rinse thoroughly with warm water. So this is what this does look like. I like this cute little packaging. I like this shade of yellow. Alrighty, so we are done with day 13. I hope you guys had a good time and enjoyed. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!